What's up, guys? Today is Friday. Finally, Friday today is the very best day of the week because today is Snap on Friday. We got a special guest, Tailgate Tech. So let's go see what Hamilton has on the truck today. You guys, come on. What you know good this week?
Get by, getting closer towards Christmas.
Christmas. Protective case.
Yeah.
Like a rubber cover for it? That's nice. Keep from busting it up. Wow, those are cool.
Yeah. Pretty solid too. This nest.
That's nice.
Got them for the 70, and I got a 150 at the house. I forgot to put on here. I ain't seen them for the 40s yet, but that don't mean that they ain't got them out there yet. I'm sure they do if they got the 70s. And
Those are the best darn jump boxes ever.
oh yeah,
I just got one of the
that's pretty
150s.
neat. Ain't it?
Custom kids toy workbench.
I think me and you need to go in together and get that for Wally for
I was
Christmas.
waiting on it.
Well, he'll
How much
lose
is
all
this
the pieces.
He'll lose all the
He
Yeah,
lose
we-
all the pieces. There's the part number.
Put that in the computer room.
That's what you need, Wally. Keep you busy at night.
75. That's not as bad as I was figuring it was going to be.
That'll keep you off Pornhub at night, Wally.
No, it won't. Wait. Edit that.
Snap on teddy bear.
Oh, yeah, it's for Bill. There you go, Bill.
Oh, yeah.
Cool. Appreciate that,
For
man.
you, little girl. That for you.
Appreciate that.
So tell everybody, Bill, about what happened to you this week.
Well, we had us a little baby Tuesday night, about 10:45. She weighed 6 pounds, was 19 inches long. Ended up having to do a C-section, run into some problems, but after they got her out, she's okay. She's good.
And you didn't go with Belena.
Nope, sure didn't. Went with Marley Joe.
Marley Joe.
Same pictures over. She obviously didn't think after Bill.
No, she's cute.
Yeah, she's
boy.
very
She's cute as a button. Cute as a button.
Gotta keep my teddy bear warm. It's gonna get cold.
Turning around, it can suck on your bosom.
No,
Always crosses that line, don't he?
always.
Always gotta cross.
Is that not a line?
Cross it, I live over here. Cross it.
Y'all gotta cross it to come over to my area.
No.
Now, Wally, after our conversation about vice grips, are you going to keep your tools cleaner now?
Oh no.
No way, buddy.
Well,
So-
see, he likes living on the edge. Never know what's going to happen till the pressure hits.
So, Andy, for everybody that don't know you, introduce yourself and tell them what your channel name is and what you do.
So, I'm Andy, Tailgate Tech. I'm a mobile electronics installer. I travel all over the country and install mobile electronics. And happened to be passing through the area, gave Clay a call, and stopped by to check out Hamilton's truck and hang out for a few minutes.
There you go. So, y'all go check out Andy's channel. I'll pin, if you'll leave a comment when the video posts, I'll pin your comment at the top. That way everybody can check out yours because you got a cool truck and a truck tour that you've done. So,
Yeah.
people enjoy that.
You got a
Pretty
service
sure.
truck you drive around?
And that Tundra sitting right out there.
Okay.
Before you take off, I'll
It's
show you
an
the back.
undercover service truck.
Undercover.
It does. It looks like an old man with a bed cover on it till you raise it up and you're like, ooh. He's flying under the radar.
That way you get all the federal ones. Don't worry about it.
What you have found?
Yeah. Let's see.
Oh yeah, adjustable pros to it.
Just playing with it. It's a fidget spinner.
Yep. There's those LED clock fans that everybody does.
These, but it's not quite.
I got their Toyota's bad, it's a little small.
I won't have it on the end.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Well, those are line wrenches.
I
think I get
Or regular.
Oh, they're line.
No, it's an 06, so it's the 4.7.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a good running truck. It's, you know, it's just getting to that point where it's going to start nickel and diming, you know, with service on it, so.
They can service you up here at Diesel Medic real quick.
I know.
You ain't got any crow's feet on here, regular ones, do you?
I think I got a couple small ones.
That'll work. Yeah, here's some. Well, all those aren't the. It's not them. I was gonna show everybody how the holes in the end of them, you know, for the
Oh, yeah.
extension, and that way you. Because I use them, I make stubby ratchets out of them.
Yeah.
I've got some in the shop, the ratcheting head, but they've got both.
Yeah, I've
On
got,
the side and
you
on
know,
the end.
mine's in there too. I was just gonna show everybody when we was on the truck why they're.
So,
Well, I think they're the best ones.
I had an old man stop me though at the gas station. I got his number. I gotta look it up. Said he used to have some pocket crescent wrenches.
Yeah.
They're not Snap-on. He said he didn't remember what brand they was. I got online and found these suckers. Like they're not Snap-on, but 2.5 inch and a 4 inch.
That's some tiny little dudes, ain't they?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool right there.
Pretty neat right there.
Yep.
You get
It's gotta
online.
be the littlest one.
That has to be the smallest crescent wrench I've ever seen in my life. I thought this was the smallest one until I got farther in the package and found the other one too.
Snap-on sells these guys. They're $60 a week for 12 months, and you can own this little baby crescent ring.
Or you can get them offline. I think about 15, 20 bucks.
That is cool though. How little that is.
Pretty neat though.
Wally, that would fit your nuts.
For another $5 a week, Hamilton will autograph it too.
What? Well, I said, hey, pass them back here. I ain't seen them yet.
Yeah. Oh, look at
Pass
that.
them back here.
That is cool.
I didn't even know if they even had that you can get crescent wrenches that size.
That's a little bitty one.
What it is, one's standard, the other one's metric. That's,
Oh, is
that's
that
all it
it?
is. That's why they're different sizes.
So this will be your metric.
Yeah, that'll be
Metric standard.
That's the big ones. Man, you have got plenty of stream lights and jump boxes. Those cool little fans.
stuff on here ready for Christmas time. People buy knick-knack stuff.
Those are cool.
Used?
Actually, I think almost sweeter than some of the full-size ones.
What's that?
Is this one used?
No, it's not.
Is that the demo?
Yeah.
Well, are you ready for Christmas?
I'm ready for it to be over with. Get past these next two holidays and get back to normal.
Me too. Me too.
What is normal though?
That's a good question there, Wally.
I'm not.
Now, we know you ain't normal.
Well, at least that question been answered.
What about you, Bill?
Ready for it, Bill.
Plenty of sausages too. Fella gets hungry, ain't nowhere to come, man, don't they?
Yeah. I had all these. Looked over, y'all can have one of them. Get y'all back and try them out. In my opinion, I thought the jerky was a little bit better than them.
Yep. You got anything else new this week?
I ain't sure on those tool related. But Wally done showed y'all the benches back there that we had.
Mm-hmm.
You already seen the other toys too, ain't you? Yeah. Like $60.
Part number KA Fan. That stands for Kick Ass Fan.
Keep it simplified.
Mm-hmm. Alright guys, I guess we're gonna turn this thing off. Like always, check the links in the description for cool tools, discount codes, all that good stuff. Like the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button right down there. Go check out Andy's channel, and we got to go. Y'all guys, have a good one.